we go. Okay, so here I am. My name is Madhavi, right? And my shining stars always say that master English with Dr. Madhavi. So today, you all are also going to do that, right? So you all are going to say, hello, Priyanka ma'am. Priyanka ma'am,
Hi,
you know,
ma'am.
there are so many students with us today. So we all are going to
Yes.
study together, right? So
Distinguished
let's
afternoon, everyone.
distinguished afternoon, distinguished afternoon. So, my dear shining stars, though if it's morning, so we all are going to say, gracious morning, say everybody, gracious morning.
Gracious morning, ma'am.
Amazing. Super. And if it's afternoon, like Priyanka ma'am and I, we are in India. In India, it's afternoon. So we are going to wish distinguished afternoon. But we all are supposed to learn. So let's wish everybody distinguished afternoon.
Distinguished afternoon.
Very nice. And another is evening, right? So maybe at your place it's evening or any places. So if we want to wish evening, so we all are going to say exquisite evening. So let's say everybody, exquisite evening.
Exquisite evening.
Very nice. Okay, super. So you can listen to me and Priyanka ma'am also, and you can also follow the same thing, right? That you all are going to answer. So how are things on your end, my dear shining stars?
Things are going smoothly here. How about on your end?
You also speak, everybody. Everybody should say things are going smoothly here. How about on your end?
Yes, things are moving along well on and my too.
So yes, things are moving all along well on my end too. So uh, like there's a little bit noise issue, so kindly check it out if your mic is okay, ma'am, because I can't hear our shining stars a lot. Priyanka ma'am, your mic is perfectly okay. You can just keep it
Okay, ma'am.
rotating your phone. Kindly rotate your phone, Priyanka ma'am. And now all the students have to do the action, okay? So let's start, everybody. Right and up, right and down. Do
Yes,
everybody.
ma'am.
Very good. Left and up, left and down. Both hands up. Clap, clap. Right side clap. Do it, everybody. Left side clap. Very nice. Wiggle your fingers. Everybody should do it. Wiggle your fingers. Wave your hand.
Well,
Wave your hand. Very nice. Air high five. Superb. And then what is snap a snap? How we are going to do snap a snap? Snap a snap. Let's do it. Snap a snap. Right side snap. Left side snap. Cross your arms. Look up. Look down. Look to the right. Look to the left. Shrug your shoulders. Blink your eyes. This is the blinking. Inhale. Exhale. Thumbs up. And a smile. Very nice. Well done. You all are amazing. Amazing. Super. So, Priyanka ma'am, because of time, clashes, I couldn't recognize because their timing is 9, I think 9 a.m. in the morning, and our is 12:30. So it was so I thought let's combine it today. So I believe you're also enjoying with our shining stars, right? So yeah,
Exactly.
yeah. So now we are going to say, shall we commence? So we are all are going to say, yes, let's proceed. So shall we commence, my dear shining stars?
Yes, let's proceed.
Proceed. Very good, very good. I believe you all are seeing in the projector over there. So now we are supposed to do pencil drill. So how we are going to do the pencil drill? You all can take the pencil with you. You all have a pencil. So take the pencil, writing pencil, the pencil. So you can keep it and the pencil, with the pencil, you can try to speak it. So how we are going to do it? First, you can simply start. Kite, polite, tonight, child, hanger, hanged, widen, vision, sound, sharp, justify, zero. And how we are going to do this? Now with the pencil, we are going to try kite, polite, tonight, child, hanger, hang, wider, vision, sound, sharp, justify, zero. And now without pencil, hyperlightenite child, hanger hand, wide vision, sound sharp, justify zero. Are you sounding like native speakers? That's beautiful. So this is how you can practice reading, right? If you want to sound like native speakers, okay? Now let's move to the next one. Everybody is supposed to do after me now. They all are the prepositions. Do you know how many prepositions are there in the English language? Can you tell me? Anybody?
Yes, or no?
You know? It's more than 100. So today
Yeah.
we are going to learn few of them, okay? So let's try. So you can see me and then you can try one line after me, okay? So see. A bird across after a geese. Did everybody first line? A bird across after a geese. Along a meet among a run before. Along a meet run at before. Be humble beneath, be sub between, be on by but down the ring. Be humble beneath, be sub between, be on by but down the ring. Except for from in inside. Except for from in inside. Into like near above. Into like near above. On to opposite, outside of passing to where underneath, until up upon within visions. So
Yeah.
this is how we are going to learn it, okay? So now all will do it together with me. Can you all see, ma'am? They can all see read it, right? It's possible for them, right? They all can read
Yes.
it? Super. See how I have one more student here, Renika. Hello, Renika. Today we are doing a
Hello,
combined
ma'am.
class with our Shining Stars. They
Okay.
all are saying hello to you. They all are also saying
Hello,
hello to
ma'am.
you.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah,
Hello,
super.
everyone.
So now, my dear Shining Stars, Priyanka ma'am, Renika ma'am, and all over there. So what we are supposed to do it, we all are going to do it together now. Okay? Are we all ready? So let's start.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. And everybody has to read. Okay, let's start. Birds across after a geese,
Across after a gaze,
along the middle run,
along
and
the mountain,
Before
below
be
beneath, we saw
behind,
between,
side
we
by
on
side,
by but down the
by
ring,
but wandering,
except
and
for from
except for
inside
from in inside,
into
into
like near
like
above,
near above,
onto
on
opposite,
onto opposite,
of
out, outside,
to where
of
underneath, until
and
up upon within prepositions. Okay, we have learned a few of the preposition. Hello, Rebecca. One more student is here. See, Rimbi ma'am, you can say hello to all of them. You can say hello to my other shining stars also. So that you have a combined classes. Amazing. Okay. So let's start another thing, my dear shining stars. You know what is the most important thing in the language? Lots of manners. We should respect. We should be so polite. We should be very respectful. We should all have manners, right? It's very important, isn't it? So for that, how we're going to do is we are going to do like, whenever we are speaking to somebody, we're going to say kindly. For example, if I say, smile everybody, this sounds rude, right? But if I say politely, so I'll be saying, smile everybody. So everyone will smile because it's so polite, right? Another thing is could you. So we can try could you. Could you please concentrate? Could you please concentrate? Or would you like to concentrate? Can you please sing for me? Okay? Or may I dance with you? Alright, so we can use for respect, could you, would you, can you, or may I? All right. So next time, never speak directly to anybody. Just try to speak with the polite by using could, would, can, may. Very nice. And kindly. Awesome. You all did a great job. Super. Now, there's a very challenging task with us. Okay. So what we are supposed to do is fat, frog, flip. Okay. So there's a frog who is so fat and he flips. But this is a tongue twister. So how we are going to try? Fat frog flip, fat frog flip, fat frog flip, fat frog flip, fat frog flip.
Fat frog flip, fat
But,
frog flip.
but if you are not pronouncing correctly, if you are speaking like, faster but without correct pronunciation, like fat frog flip, so it will sound like flog, 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 and nobody will do flog. This flog is a stick, right? So what we are going to do is take the pencil, first try with pencil, everybody. Fat frog flip, fat frog flip, fat
Fat
frog
frog
flip,
flip,
fat
fat
frog
frog
flip.
flip, fat
And now
frog flip, fat
pencil.
frog flip.
Fat frog flip, fat frog flip, fat frog flip, fat frog flip, fat
Fat
frog
frog
flip,
flip, fat frog flip, fat frog flip, fat frog flip, fat frog flip.
everybody,
Fat frog flip,
everybody.
fat frog flip.
Without pencil. Yeah, everybody should speak. Priyanka ma'am, take out the pencil. All of my shining stars from there. All take out the pencil. Very good, very good. And now try. Fat for flip, fat for flip, fat for flip, fat for flip, fat for
Fat frog
flip.
flip, fat frog flip,
Fat
fat
frog
frog flip,
flip,
fat
fat,
frog flip.
fat frog flip, fat frog
Very
flip,
nice.
fat frog flip, fat frog flip, fat frog flip, fat
I
frog
said
flip,
without,
fat frog
without
flip.
Rimpik ma'am, Sushma ma'am, without pencil, without pen and pencil. Take out the pen and pencil. Welcome, Jonty. You can change your name for today, Jonty. You can change your name for today. Now we all are going to learn body parts, okay? So let's do it, everybody. Head, hair,
Here,
face,
head,
nose, ear, eye, mouth, then cheek. This is cheek. So many might be little fatty, chubby. So we do this. So many people do that with me also. I'm also a little chubby, so they do like this. So cheek, okay? Then chin, okay, chin.
chin,
Yeah. Then teeth, neck, lip,
lip, lip,
arm. These are the arms.
arm,
And these are elbows. Okay.
elbow,
And these are
wrist,
wrist,
Great
fingers,
fingers,
fingers. Very nice. Thumb
thumb,
and palm. Very nice. These are the palms.
palm.
Absolutely awesome. You all did a great job. Super, my dear shining stars. So let's move to the next one. Hello, Pavni. Hello, Preet ma'am. Say hello to our another shining stars also.
Hello.
It is a combined session. Yeah, all the shining stars are with me. Super. Now we all are going to do irregular verbs, okay? So what happens, my dear shining stars? In English, we have actions. With the body, we do actions. For example, draw, drew, drawn, draw, drew, drawn, right?
Draw, drew, drawn.
Choose,
Draw,
chose,
drew,
chosen,
drawn.
chosen.
Choose, chosen.
And vindicate,
chosen.
vindicated, vindicated, vindicate, vindicated,
Vindicate,
vindicated.
vindicated, vindicated.
Very
Vindicate,
nice.
vindicated, vindicated.
You know what? So this all actions are in English language we call verbs. And the verbs are same like cut, cut, put, row, no changes. So they all are regular verbs. Okay? But if the verbs are different, So they all are irregular verbs. Okay? Have you all understood? Are you understanding the difference? Very nice. So this all are irregular verbs. Okay? So everybody can do it one more time with me. Draw, drew, drawn. Draw, drew, drawn. Choose, chose, chosen. Choose, chose, chosen.
Choose, choose.
Vindicate, vindicated, vindicated. Vindicate, vindicated, vindicated. And what is the meaning of vindicate? We will learn it soon, okay? Now, but before that, we have to do one thing. Everybody should do the action with me. I, you,
You,
he,
he,
she,
he,
they,
they,
we.
we.
Yeah, students from Africa, so everybody should speak louder because we can't hear you, my dear shining stars. Speak louder, okay? Yeah. And ma'ams, please check it out if mic is like, the microphone is okay or not. Okay, super. So let's do it. Me,
Me, you,
him,
him,
her, them.
they, us.
Next,
Us.
myself, yourself,
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 himself.
himself,
Everybody should do the action. Everybody should do the action. Maria Shining Stars from India, please mute yourself so they can also hear us. Yeah, because it's new for them. Yeah, let's do it by muting now. Everybody should do the action. Herself, themselves, and ourselves. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Superb. Now I can hear you. Rimpy ma'am, please mute yourself. Now, let's do tenses. Tenses are the most important thing in English, right? If we know the tenses, we can speak correct English. So today we are going to learn present tense, past tense, and future tense, okay? So let's say, I draw, I drew, and I will draw. How we are doing? Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay? So, I draw. Everybody should do the action. I draw. I drew. I will draw. I am drawing. I was drawing. I will be drawing. I have drawn. I had drawn. I will have drawn. I have been drawing means I've been drawing right now. Okay, I had been drawing. I had already drawn. Okay, so I'd been drawing, and in future, I will have been drawing. Super. Okay. Now, another thing, mostly we listen to our teachers, and our teachers sometimes be very energetic, like me right now. But in the enthusiasm, sometimes we try to do it faster because time is less. We want to teach you more. But in this time, time, what happens? We try to do it so faster, so fluent. And you'll be like, ma'am, I can't understand. Please speak again. So please speak again in advanced English. We could say with a polite manner, kindly restate that. So everybody should say, kindly restate that. Very
Kindly
nice. Yeah, kindly restate that. So now we will do opposite words, okay? So antonyms, okay? When the words are same, we call synonyms. When the words are opposite, we call antonyms, okay? So let's do it, everybody. Poor, wealthy, short, tall, thin, fat, insane, sane, bad, good, straight, crooked, deep, shallow, dark, light, lazy, hardworking, brave, cowardly. Very nice. We did it. We all did it. Great. Good job. But now, what happens when we talk in English? generally we walk and we are walking, we are going somewhere, and mostly we always try, get late for so many things, right? And just imagine, here if you could see two students, Preet and Pavni, okay? So Preet ma'am is walking so faster, and Pavni is also coming from there. And Pavni, hit little bit to Preet ma'am, and Preet ma'am's all notebook gets fallen down on the floor. So instead of Pavni will do like this, or sorry. She is going to say this amazing sentence, and what she is going to say, excuse me, that was completely unintentional. I hope you're okay. Okay, so you all are going to say like this, excuse me, it was completely unintentional. I hope you're okay.
Excuse, excuse me. That was completely unintention of you.
Yeah,
Hope you
very
are
nice.
okay.
Everybody should speak. And then there are six levels. I mean, there are many levels of English, but the most important is A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. And that is what we are going to do it right now. So in A1, we are going to say no.
No,
Let's say no. Everybody with
no,
action, no. A2,
no,
no.
no,
B1, not at all.
not at all.
B2, absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
C1,
Ab-
by no means.
By no means.
C2, it's most polite. So we're going to say certainly not. Certainly not.
Certainly not.
Very nice. We all did. And then there are few frequency. They are the stayers of, speaking words. So for example, let's take the word implement. You know what is the meaning of implement? Just imagine if Renika ma'am says to Priyanka ma'am that, hello Priyanka ma'am, you know what? You should get up early every morning and go for a walk with me. Priyanka ma'am will be like, okay, I will do that. Do you implement on this? So if Renika ma'am implements always, so she's going to say, I always implement.
I
Say
always
everybody,
implement.
I always implement.
I always implement.
And if she says to Priyanka ma'am, so Priyanka, see, she says, you usually implement.
You
Say,
usually implement.
okay. And if she says to one of you, there, so he often implements.
We often implement.
If very nice. And if she says about Pavni, so she says she's sometimes implements.
Sometimes implement.
Okay. If she say about others, they occasionally implement.
Occasionally implement.
And we seldom implement.
We seldom implement.
Yeah, Rimpy ma'am really implements. For saying you can say, okay. And Akshat never implements, okay. So this is how we are going to use adverb of frequency. Let's move to next, singular, plural. Singular means one, plural means many. So let's do it, everybody. Let's do action. Men, men.
Man,
Women,
man.
women.
Woman,
Child,
woman.
children.
Children.
Tooth,
Tooth,
teeth,
teeth. Foot, feet.
mouse,
Mouse.
mice,
Mice.
person,
Person.
people. Okay.
People.
We all do it. And before starting the sessions, for example, right now we have started the session or any celebration, we can say, well, extend a warm welcome to your just team celebration. So just imagine if you're starting any function, party. So we all are going to use this phrase. So imitate like me. I'll speak first and then you all will speak, okay? So listen to me in the same energy. So how we are going to do it? We extend a warm welcome to your team celebration. Do it, everybody.
We extend a warm
We
welcome to you.
extend a very welcome to you at our esteemed celebration.
Very nice. Well done. You all did a great job. And now let's move to the another word, turbo tip. This word, you might be finding it big, right? Indispensable. It means something that is absolutely important, necessary, cannot be done without, okay? Very important, must have and essential. But if you find it difficult, so what you could do it, you can see the below. It is written in this
In
and
this
table.
sensible.
So everybody should say indispensable.
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 Very nice. So you all did a great job.
Indispensable.
And there are many words in English, which doesn't get pronounced. So you it is a silent. J is going to be
Mojito.
silent, so it's not going to be mojito, but it's going to be mojito. Say
Mojito.
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 Very nice, very nice. And then there are homograph words. Today we are going to learn homograph words too. So in the homograph words, two words are there, but they don't both pronounce same. They both are very different, right? First is wind, second is wind.
Wine.
So if the wind is blowing so hot, okay, air, so it's wind, it's breezing. Wind blows too. Wind blows to wind out of my window over there, okay? And wind means complete. Let's wind up the session today. Please wind up the matter. Okay, so wind up. So,
Please
all
find
right.
out.
Ma'am, do we have more time or you want me to wind up the session? Yes.
We still have 5 minutes.
We still have how much time, ma'am? Could you come again? How much time?
Hello,
Yes, ma'am. How much time do we have more?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes more. All right. Okay, guys. So let's try in 5 minutes something else we can try. Do you know what is the full form of ICU? ICU. Now, ICU full form is intensive care unit. Okay,
Care unit.
intensive care unit, and this is what we see in the
Intensive
hospital. So let me try. I want to teach you the song, I think. Okay. So as I'm a rapper, educational rapper, so I'll rap and then you all will rap, okay? So first you all listen to me and then you all will rap together, okay? So it is the rap of a strength, okay? So let's start. Listen to me, everybody, carefully. Okay. So it goes like this. I'm strong, I'm not wrong, I'm built to belong, I'm right, I'm light, I'm fighting all night, I'm bold, I'm cold, I'm breaking the mold, I'm fast, I'm but stories too. I'm clean, I'm keen, I'm chasing the dream. Sharp, I'm hard, I'm grown with my team. I'm fire, I'm high, I never retire. I'm fit, I'm fit, I'm space that wild. Now you all will speak. Let's start. Let's rap together, my rock stars. 1, 2, 3,
I'm
start.
strong, I'm not
wrong.
I'm strong, I'm not wrong, I'm built to belong, I'm right, I'm light, I'm right, I'm light, I'm bold, I'm cold, I'm tight, the bold, I'm fit, I'm fast, I'm in the mold too, I'm clean, I'm keen, I'm chasing the dream, I'm sharp, I'm hard, I roll without time, I'm fire, I'm high, I'll never retire, I'm lit, I'm fit, I'm fire.
I'm fine. I'm never read. I'm fit. I'm spent that why.
Oh, fantastic. You know what? I can see many rappers out there. So many were doing like a rapper completely. It was amazing. I literally enjoyed. You all did a great job, my dear Shining Stars. And one more we will do it. That might be the song. Just a minute. Let me check it out. So, no worries. As today we are getting late, so we will be trying to do it tomorrow. So, my dear Shining Stars, before finishing the session, all of the Indian Shining Stars can join another link, okay? Well, I'll be sharing with you. And my dear Shining Stars, so from either Africa, so you all can say it together. Delighted to connect. Have a pleasant time ahead. Say everybody.
Let's connect.
Superb, superb. And let's have one more one